and welcome back, guys. Today I'm going to be showing you how to append to a dictionary in Python. Why would you want to know how to do this? Well, maybe you've forgotten to add a certain element. Check out the video description as I will try and leave written instructions there. So let's get started. I'm just going to quickly type up my dictionary. So now I'm just going to be appending a location element to the what to do is I'm going to say x of, I'm going to use square brackets to do that. So, and inside this, I'm going to say location, and that location is equal to, say for example, the USA. I also forgot that these are strings, so I need to add. And now if I print my dictionary, as you can see, it's appended the location element to my dictionary X. And yeah, that's basically it, you guys. If you wanted to know how to append to a dictionary in Python, this is the easiest way I know how. And if you know of another way, then leave a comment below and make sure to subscribe for more videos.